Did you know that the average person consumes over 6,000 calories on Christmas Day alone? That's like 3 whole days worth of food. It's no wonder we often feel guilty about indulging during the holidays. But what if I told you that you could still enjoy all your favorite festive treats without the guilt? That's right, guys. Today, we're diving into the world of guilt-free holiday treats. We're talking delicious, healthier versions of your favorite holiday classics that will satisfy your sweet tooth without sabotaging your healthy lifestyle. Get ready to learn some awesome swaps, secret ingredients, and super easy recipes that will make your holidays both delicious and guilt-free. Let's get baking. We all know that feeling, right? That post-holiday sugar crash, the tight jeans that suddenly don't fit, and the little voice in our heads whispering, maybe we shouldn't have had that last cookie? It's tough. The holidays are a time for indulgence, for celebrating with loved ones, and for enjoying those special treats that only come around once a year. But it often feels like we have to choose between enjoying ourselves and staying healthy. But guys, it doesn't have to be a guilt trip. We can absolutely enjoy the holidays and feel good about our choices. That's why I'm so excited to share some amazing guilt-free holiday treat recipes with you today. We're going to transform those classic calorie-laden desserts into healthier, lighter versions that are just as delicious and satisfying. Think about it. You can still have your gingerbread cookies and eat them too. We're talking about simple swaps like using whole wheat flour instead of white flour, or natural sweeteners like maple syrup or honey instead of refined sugar. And don't worry, these recipes aren't just for health nuts. They're seriously delicious, and even your pickiest eaters will love them. So ditch the guilt this holiday season and let's get baking. Alright, let's talk healthy substitutes. One of the easiest ways to lighten up your holiday treats is by making simple swaps. For instance, instead of using butter or margarine, try applesauce, mashed banana, or avocado. Yep, you heard that right. Avocado's creamy texture makes it a great substitute in baking, and it adds a boost of healthy fats. Next up, sugar. Refined sugar can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride, leaving you feeling sluggish. But don't worry, there are tons of natural sweeteners that taste amazing. Maple syrup, honey, dates, and even coconut sugar are all great alternatives that add a unique depth of flavor to your treats. And don't forget about flour. Swap out white flour for whole wheat flour, almond flour, or oat flour for a fiber boost and added nutrients. These simple swaps make a huge difference in terms of calories and nutrition without sacrificing flavor. And here's a bonus tip. Get creative with spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves not only add warmth and holiday cheer to your treats, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties and can even aid in digestion. So go ahead, experiment with different flavor combinations and find your new favorite healthy holiday treats. Chapter 3. The Ultimate Guilt-Free Gingerbread Cookie. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, a standout recipe that's both delicious and good for you. Get ready for my ultimate guilt-free gingerbread cookies. These cookies are soft, chewy, perfectly spiced, and they're made with wholesome ingredients that you can feel good about. We'll start with a base of almond flour and oat flour for a nutty, satisfying texture. Then, we'll sweeten things up with a touch of maple syrup and blackstrap molasses for that classic gingerbread flavor. And of course, no gingerbread cookie is complete without the perfect blend of spices. We'll be using a generous amount of cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves for that warm, comforting aroma that fills your kitchen with holiday cheer. These cookies are incredibly easy to make, and they're perfect for decorating with your family and friends. Plus, they're so delicious, no one will even guess they're actually healthy. I'll be sure to leave the full recipe in the description box below, so be sure to check it out and let me know what you think. Chapter 4. Recap, guilt-free, Happy Holidays. So, what have we learned today? We've busted the myth that holiday treats have to be unhealthy and guilt-inducing. By making a few simple swaps and using wholesome ingredients, we can enjoy all our favorite festive flavors without sacrificing our health goals. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. It's okay to indulge in your favorite treats, but by making healthier choices most of the time, you can enjoy the holidays to the fullest without any regrets. And most importantly, remember that food should be fun. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, get creative with your recipes, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating delicious and nutritious treats for yourself and your loved ones. Chapter 5. Subscribe for more yummy adventures. I had so much fun sharing my guilt-free holiday treat tips with you today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more healthy and delicious recipes, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week featuring fun and easy recipes, kitchen hacks, and more. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching and happy holidays! Outrow bye for now, bakers. Thanks for baking with me today, everyone. I hope these guilt-free holiday treats help you have the tastiest and healthiest holiday season yet. Remember, baking should always be fun, so don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and make these recipes your own. If you do try them out, be sure to take a picture and tag me on social media. I love seeing your creations. Until next time, happy baking.